Matt Hoots, and for those who are looking for something a little bit more interesting, instead of using a gutter coming off your downspout, you can do something called a rain chain. Now these are copper rain chains. This is going to last a lot longer, and what's nice about copper is over time it has like a little bit of patina that grows on it through the oxidation. So copper is one of those materials that will oxidize, but it's not going to completely rust through like steel or something like that would. So a really fun way to bring the water off your downspouts all the way down. Becomes a decorative element instead of something that's really ugly that you have to worry about. It's copper, so you can buy it directly from them. They supply a lot of the local places in Orlando, like Disneyland and I believe Universal as well. So it's a really amazing product. Gotta check them out. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the New American Home, the New American Model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe since we've got more coming.